In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the 17th movement of the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is blue-green dragon shoots out of the water. This is another Fajing movement that I'm going to be breaking down for you piece by piece, and then I'm going to be demonstrating at normal pace. Coming up. Hey guys, Colin here and welcome back to Center Life Balance. In this channel, I'm sharing the best principles, practices and techniques for physical, mental and spiritual well-being. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm covering the 17th movement of the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is blue-green dragon shoots out of the water. So let's get into the training. So beginning from the end of the previous movement, which was fist follows turned in body. So we're in this position here now. The first movement we want to do is we've got to turn here and shift the weight. So this is a movement where we're shifting the weight and turning at the same time. Now with this movement, normally we're used to going all the way onto one side with our weight. So we're used to shifting the weight all the way to one side. With this movement, we're not going to shift the weight all to one side, but we're going to shift the weight to about here. Now as we shift the weight, the left fist is coming around to an open hand, and the right fist is coming down alongside the body here. So if you're looking from here, it's coming down this way. So from here down, naturally down to one side. So when you're in the movement, the position with the turning and the changing of weight, it's going to look like this. Now from here, the next movement is we're going to strike out to the groin area on the left hand or on the right hand side, and we've got to shift the weight as we do it. So we're going to be shifting the weight and striking. So from here, shifting the weight, turning. So you've got to turn at the hips in order to get the movement out, and we're going to strike with the back part of the fist. So from here to here. Now we've got to make sure that when you strike that you shift the weight, that you move forward onto the right leg. So from here to the right leg. You also want to avoid too much, you don't want to reach, you don't want to be reaching out. So you don't want to be going out like this. You want to maintain your center, you want to maintain your center line and strike from here. Let's look at the movement now at normal pace. Let's look at the two movements together now. Fist follows turned in body, followed by blue-green dragon shoots out of the water. That concludes this video, guys. What questions do you have about Tai Chi? Post your comments below and I'll see you in the next video.